Hello students, in this video we learn about rectifiers. A rectifier is a device which converts alternating current to direct current. You might have studied in your lower classes that alternating current, which is also called AC current, it consists of positive half cycles and negative half cycles. That means its magnitude continuously changes, of course direction also changes, whereas DC current, direct current, means its magnitude and direction always constant. So generally whatever the thing we are getting at our homes, that is alternating current, and the current we get from cells and batteries, that is called direct current. Its magnitude doesn't change, remains constant. This rectifier converts alternating current to direct current, and in converting this alternating current to direct current we use PN junction diode. Depending on the configuration, these rectifiers are classified into two: half wave rectifiers and full wave rectifier. Half wave rectifier means it converts only half of the cycle of alternating current into direct current. If you see at the diagram, you can see here we are feeding one full cycle to the diode, but we are getting only half of the cycle as output. We are getting here only positive half cycle. That is why it is called as half wave rectifier. Let us see its action using the PN junction diode concept. This is a typical half wave rectifier which we have shown here. It consists basically a transformer, a diode, and a resistant at which we can take our output. So here alternating current consists of positive and negative half cycles. Transformer consists primary, secondary windings. Here generally transformers can be step up and step down transformers. Here we use a step down transformer to step down the voltage, because our PN junction diode cannot bear large amount of voltages. Large amount of voltage can destroy PN junction diode. So generally we use step down transformer here to reduce the voltages, and then it is fed to the diode. Now we observe the operation of half wave rectifier. We consider that we are feeding only a positive half cycle to the transformer. Then the transformer primary winding sends it to the secondary windings. When the secondary winding gets the positive cycle, then the top part becomes the positive terminal or positive side, and the bottom side becomes negative voltage or negative terminal. Then positive current is going to the diode's positive terminal. Here we have shown a red color diode. So we are feeding the positives of alternating current to the positive of the diode, and negative of the transformer to the negative terminal of the diode. So when the positive terminal of the diode is connected to positive terminal of the input voltage, and negative terminal of the diode is connected to negative terminal of the input voltage, it is forward bias. In its forward bias, it simply conducts current. Now this diode is forward biased, then it allows the current to pass through it. Then across this load resistor, the voltage output is taken, and it is shown as output pulse. The output is still a pulse. We got positive half cycle. Now we'll discuss the negative half cycle. You see, during the negative half cycle, the secondary winding, the top terminal becomes the negative terminal, and the bottom terminal becomes the positive terminal. it Here we can see that the negative input voltage is going to the positive terminal of the diode, and positive input voltage is going to the negative terminal of the diode. In this, the diode is reverse biased. When the diode is reverse biased, no current passes through the diode. So the diode do not conduct, and no voltage is taken at the load resistor. No current is passing through the circuit. Now here you can see at the output terminal there is no output. It is flat. So in this way, during the next half cycle, again the diode conducts, again we will get output. So in this way, an half wave rectifier converts only one half cycle of the input voltage into output voltage. That means it can convert only half of the cycle of input to output direct current. Because of that reason, it is called as half wave rectifier. And there are so many defects in this. Inabilities of this half wave rectifier are most of the power is wasted, because here it can convert only half of the input voltage to the output voltage. That is why usually we do not prefer half wave rectifier. Instead of that, we prefer a full wave rectifier, that we are going to discuss in the next video. Thank you.